All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about Dogelon Mars. Yep, this token is this awesome token. Whales are buying it in bunches. They really like the Dogelon Mars. We're going to talk about whales today. We're also going to talk about it being up in the last 7 days, which is fantastic. We're going to go to the website, check that out, do a little Twitter thing, all kinds of good stuff with Dogelon Mars. Also, we're going to cover a little section on how to buy property in the metaverse. Everybody's looking for investments. Everybody's looking at how to do it. Buying property in the metaverse seems to be a big thing going into 2022, so we're going to cover that a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Hey, I don't know how many of you are football fans, but me and a few of our friends went out to Pittsburgh yesterday to watch Ben Roethlisberger's last game in Pittsburgh against the Cleveland Browns. It was a really, really electrifying game. The terrible towels were going around. Ben's played for one team for 18 years. It was pretty exciting. I was just wondering, when is the Steelers going to start offering cryptocurrency like the crypto.com arena? But I just wanted to share that with you. Any football fans out there got to see Ben's last game yesterday. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at Dogelon Mars at 107. This token is up 4% in the last 7 days. So we got a 4% increase last 7 days. It's up about a 0.5% in the last 24 hours. If we go ahead and click it, again, now it says it's up 1% in the last 24 hours. So 1% up in the last 24 hours. Taking a look at the last 7 days here. Last 7 days, Dogelon Mars is actually going up. You know, down here it was a little bit lower. And it actually kind of bounced back. And then it actually kind of, with that ATV, climbed them out a little bit. Got all the way up here, and then it came back down a little bit. But for the most part, Dogelon Mars is up 4% in the last 7 days. Going to the holders to see how the holders have been at Dogelon. I think clicking 3 months, it's just a good indication of how the coin's doing. 3 months ago, we had 72,000 people own the Dogelon Mars. November 72, and then by November 12th, went from 72 to 112. That's pretty freaking big. But in the last 90 days, it's at 124 to 72. So 70 and 70 is 140. It's about 80% up. 80% more people own the Dogelon Mars. That's freaking gigantic, everybody. Over here at the Twitter account, thought this was pretty big. Crypto.com, deposit and withdrawal with Elon. Network has just enabled on crypto.com, so you can actually deposit now on crypto.com. Kronos is allowing deposits and withdrawals for Elon, and take a look on the left there, right there on crypto.com. So that's pretty awesome, everybody. You know, right here on the actual Twitter account, it says some feared technology will bring about the destruction of civilization, but in truth it will bring about its salvation. We are witnessing humanity's entrance into the second age. Little stuff on Dogelon Mars. Alright, I just wanted to show you this real quick. Dogelon Mars becomes the most traded altcoin among top 1,000 ETH whales. So take a look at there. There you go. We got the whale in the ocean. And what are they tracking? Dogelon Mars. Whales have shown interest in Dogelon Mars after spiking over 250% in the last 30 days, says Whale Stats. Reveals Elon was the most traded altcoin a few days ago, with the top 1,000 whales have gone all in on Elon. Investors have jumped on the bandwagon in hopes of being in the next big thing. In the market, Dogelon Mars is gaining traction all over social media and has reach getting wider every single day. Now here you go, this is interesting. Elon's investors have started an offline advertising campaign by sticking posters across the cities. The tagline reads, Miss Sheba, join Elon's mission to Mars. Advertising campaign has been widely shared on Elon's official Twitter handle. Also right here, Dogelon Mars is the low-hanging fruit and it's available for purchase for less than a cent. A lot of people like that you can get the Dogelon Mars for less than a cent. In fact, if it ever goes to a penny, for the people that have it today are going to be rich. The affordability is what's attracted to new investors in the fold who hopes they could bring them fortunes when it deletes zeros along the way. And I always talk about deleting those zeros and stuff. The altcoin is new to the market, and the price could be in a better position in a few years. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of cover this again. Dogelon Mars becomes the most traded altcoin among the top 1,000 ETH whales. All right, so give us your thoughts so far. We're going to go over and talk about the metaverse, buying real estate property here for a second. Dogelon Mars, whales are on top of it. Why do we like the whales so much? The reason we like the whales is because whales, do you think whales may know more information than us? Do you think when they're purchasing all these coins and stuff like that, they did research, they have analysts and stuff? They probably do. So what happens is if you follow the whales and you pay attention to the whales, you can kind of like literally just follow what they're doing, get the crumbs along the way and stuff. So I think it's pretty important about the whales. We're going to keep talking about the whales probably in the next two weeks. We'll do another episode about the whales. All right, the metaverse. So real estate in the year 2021 was very, very big. Properties across the country were appreciating more than ever before. People were actually selling their house and they were listing it for a certain price and they were selling it for $30,000 to $50,000 higher. And there was bidding wars. Well, guess what? This is happening in the computer land too, in the metaverse. So is the metaverse going to be a great investment to get into in the year 2022? I don't know. But I'm going to cover real quick on how to buy properties in the metaverse. All right, how to buy real estate in the metaverse, a step-by-step guide. To buy property in the virtual world, you would need to sign up for a metaverse platform like Decentraland, the Sandbox, Axie Infinity, among all others. All you'll need to do is transfer into the metaverse a well-funded digital wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy real estate in the metaverse today. You know, it seems that it's catching on the investors' fancy in the real estate. The number of property deals in the metaverse has become headlines with record million-dollar transactions reported every other week. To buy properties in the virtual world, you will need to sign up for the metaverse platform like Decentraland, the Sandbox, Axie Infinity. All you will need to do is transact in the metaverse as a well-funded digital wallet, and you convert your dollars into cryptocurrency. Also, whatever platform you're on, you need to use that cryptocurrency. In the Sandbox, like in Decentraland, it's actually Mana. In the Sandbox, it's actually Sand. All right, here we go. The top 5 things. Number 1, visit the property marketplace on the metaverse, such as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, or the Sandbox, and log into the platform. So number 1 is log into the platform. Number 2, browse the variety of available pieces of property and compare their prices. Just like in the real world, you need to shop around, look at 5 or 10 properties before you make your bid. Number 3, once you have selected the digital piece of land that you wish to click and buy, do the same thing. Read more about it. See what's important about it. Go on the metaverse property platform and look at all the information. Before you're going to purchase it, make sure you have the right cryptocurrency for that platform. Number 4, the next step is to link your digital wallet to the property's platform account. For this, you will need to first get yourself compatible digital wallet. MetaMask by far is the most popular digital wallet available in the market today. It is compatible with almost every other platform in the metaverse. Number 5, it is important to fund your digital wallet with cryptocurrency that is compatible with your digital property platform chosen by you. You can easily purchase the same through many exchanges. After you're done with this, select the land funding link digital wallet, and all you need to do is press buy button. Number 6, once you have completed the transaction, the piece of digital land purchase will be stored in the form of an NFT and a link in your digital wallet. You can view your acquired land under the NFT tab in your digital wallet today. So there you go, everybody, how to buy property in the metaverse. We'll be probably covering a lot of things this year about this because this seems to be a very, very hot topic right now. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars and do a little price prediction. Here's a little thing, the top 5 meme coins, and take a look. The top 5, what they're saying is Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, SafeMoon, Dogelon Mars, and Kusha. Number 1 is Dogecoin. Number 2 is Shiba. Number 3 is SafeMoon. Let's see what it says about Dogelon. Number 4, the meme coin Dogelon is the theme of Dogecoin and the Tesla CEO Elon Musk in the 2021. The coin has massive price swings and some feel it has space to expand. The Ethereum-based project uses the ERC20 token standard, which implies it uses the Ethereum network for security, while it's also adding its own distinctive features to the token. This coin has a current market cap of over 999 million. Go Dogelon. Top 5 when it comes to meme tokens. And it's got a healthy competitors. Dogecoin, Shiba, and SafeMoon are top 3 right there. All right, over here at the coin market cap, Dogelon Mars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1559. I think this token can actually go to 5 zeros and a 2500, 2500. So instead of it being 1559, it'll be 2500. All our information is for educational purposes only, probably by the end of the first quarter. So Dogelon Mars, a lot of traction, a lot of things going on with it. It's got a new website. Real quick, take a look at the new website. I mean, it's got a complete new face look. It's beautiful. So Dogelon Mars is making all kinds of improvements and stuff. Liking it a lot, everybody. So, what are your thoughts? Dogelon Mars, do you have some? Are you going to get some? A lot of whales are into Dogelon Mars. We think that's pretty good. I think it's got a lot of room and promise in 2022. Real estate's going to be big. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody. Have a fantastic day today. Cryptocurrency.